Good morning students, welcome to our new session of a digital learning. Today in this video we will be learning the last central tendency, that is mode. In a previous standard we have learned mode of ungrouped data. So what is a mode? The score repeating maximum number of times in a data is called the mode of the data. For example, a company manufactures a bicycle of different color. To know which color is most wanted, the company need to find the mode. Or if the company manufactures so many items together, it may want to know that which item sells a most from the company. So in such condition the mode is needed. So today we will be learning the mode of group data. So let us study the method of estimation of mode of group data. So here the following formula is used for the purpose to find out the mode of group data. So we will see what is the formula. Here mode is equals to L plus in a bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2 multiplied by F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. So here we will learn what are all the terms given in the formula. Here also L stands for the lower class limit of a model class. So what will be our model class here? The model class will be the class where the frequency is the highest. We will see in the table, then you will understand what is a model class. F1 is a frequency picked from model class. So frequency of model class is a F1, the value of F1. Here F0 means the frequency of preceding the model class. Preceding means previous one. Preceding frequency is known as F0 here. Next term is F2. So here F2 is a succeeding frequency, which means the next frequency to the model class. So succeeding frequency is a value of F2. Now last is a H. You know what is a H? H is a height, which is also known as a class interval of a model class. Height of a model class. So now let us learn practice set 6.3 to understand the mode of group data. How to find out the mode of group data. Question number 1. The following table shows the information regarding the milk collected from a farmers on a milk collection center and the content of fat in a milk measured by lactometer. Find the mode of fat content. So here, before we understand the question and mode, let me tell you that the content of fat in a milk is counted in a liter. So now let's see the solution. To find out the mode, we have to make only two vertical columns, which is already given in the question. First column will be the data and second column will be the frequency. Here data is about, information is about content of fat in a milk, and your frequency is milk which is collected in liter. So as we here also like median, as we have to put the value of L in a formula, the class should be continuous. So first you will check your class 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. So your class is continuous. You don't have to make any extended continuous column. You can start your calculation. Now we have to find out the next value, which is about frequency. Now we'll come in a frequency column and we will see which is the greatest and highest frequency. So here you can see the 80 is the greatest number, which is the value of F1. So this class becomes your model class. This class becomes your model class. Value frequency preceding the model class is F0 and frequency succeeding the model class is F2. So we got all the values, we got model class, we got all the three frequency, and class interval, that is height, can be found from the class. So we'll put all the values here first. What is your class? Your class is 4 to 5, where 4 is a lower class limit and 5 is a upper class limit. So what is your L? The value for L is 4. Now next we'll fill all the frequency. What is F0? Your F0 is 70. What is F1? Your F1 is 80. What is the value of F2? Succeeding frequency is 60. And height, that is a class interval, we have to minus the upper limit to the lower limit. The upper limit is 5 and lower limit is 4. So 5 minus 4 will give you 1. So you will see we got all the values from the table. Now your next step is a substitution of the value after writing the formula. Every time first you will fill the formula, write the formula, and you will substitute the values. So now let us substitute all the values. What is the value for L? The value for L is 4. What is F1? 80. What is F0? 70. Coming to denominator, 2 multiplied by F1 is 80. Your F0 is 70 and F2 is 60. Multiplied by height. So value for height is 1. We have substituted all the values properly. Now let's begin with the calculation. I have taught you how to calculate, solving the bracket first. Coming to the numerator, we have 80 minus 70. So it will be 10. Here in a denominator we have multiplication and then subtraction. So 2 multiplied by 80 is 160. Minus minus plus, but the sign of greater number. 70 plus 60 is 130 multiplied by 1. Now we'll simplify the bracket more. Again 4 plus, in a numerator we have 10. What is 160 minus 130? We'll get 30, and any number multiplied to 1 will give you 1. But here we'll write it and then we'll simplify it further. So here zeros will get cancelled. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So 4 plus, it is 1 upon 3. So now what to do? We have to simplify the fraction 1 upon 3, and whatever simplified number we get, we have to add it to 4. So we'll divide 1 by 3. We'll get 0.33. We have to every time solve up to 2 decimal place only. If we'll solve it, it is a recurring number. When you will do the division, you will see the number is recurring. So now add it to 4, it will give you 4.33. So mode of a fat content in a milk is 4.33 liters. Now I have kept the unit liters because I have explained you in the question only. Fat in a milk, when it is counted, it is not counted in percentage, it is counted in liters. Question number 2. Electricity used by some families is shown in the following table. Find the mode for use of electricity. So here we have made 2 vertical columns. In a first column we will fill the data, which is the information is about the use of electricity, which is given from 0 to 120 in a continuation. You will see there is a continuation, so we don't have to make here extended column. And a second column is a number of families who are using the electricity. It is given. So first step here, to find out the modal class, we have to know which is the highest frequency. So here I can see 100, which is the highest among all other frequency. So this become my frequency of my modal class. So as this become the frequency of the modal class, my modal class is 60 to 80, where 60 is a lower limit and 80 is a higher limit, upper limit. So which is a preceding class? Your preceding class is F0. The value of F0 is 70, and succeeding next class is 80, which is F2, the value for F2. What is a class interval? Height of the class, upper limit minus a lower limit, which is 80 minus 60, which will give you 20. So let us substitute all the value first before we put in the formula. So your lower limit of a modal class is 60. The value of the frequency of a modal class is 100. the frequency preceding the modal class is 70 and the frequency succeeding the modal class next one is 80, and the class interval, that is upper limit minus lower limit, gives you 80 minus 60 give you 20. So now let us substitute all the values in the formula. We have to write the formula first and then substitution. The value for L is 60, the value for F1 is 100, your F0 is 70, 2 multiplied by 100 minus 70, and F2 is 80 multiplied by H, H is 20. So after substitution we will simplify the bracket. 100 minus 70 is 30. Still bracket is not simplified, so we'll keep bracket as it is. Coming to denominator, 2 multiplied by 100 is 200, minus minus plus, but the sign of greater number is minus, so we have to take a minus. So 70 plus 80 is 150 multiplied by 20. So again 60 plus 30, 200 minus 150 is 50 multiplied by 20. So now we can cancel the zeros, cut the zeros. 5 ones are, and here 5 6 are. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. So 60 plus 12. So when you will add it, you will get 72. So the mode use of electricity is 72 unit. Question number 4. The following frequency distribution table gives the ages of 200 patients treated in a hospital in a week. Find the mode of ages of the patients. We have to find here the mode age of the patient. So here also we have to make only 2 vertical column, but you will see the class is not continuous. There is a discontinuation in the class. So for that reason you have to add one more column and make a continuous class to get the accurate answer. You will see I have made a 2 repeated columns. Both the columns are same. Here it is, I have copied this column from the question where first class is written in the word which says less than 5. So to solve here, it should be in a number. So for that reason, to make you understand, I have made it and wrote it here the same class from the question. So what is less than 5? The less than 5 is 4, and age of a person starts from 0. So your first class will be 0 to 4. Okay, so instead of less than 5, in an answer, in a column, you have to write 0 to 4. Now you can make a continuous class in a same way. I have taught you how to make a continuous class. The lower limit of the second class minus to the upper limit of the first class. So 5 minus 4 is 1 divided by 2. So what is the half of 2? It is 0. Half of 1 upon 2 is 0.5. So same way you have to deduct 0.5 from a lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit. So coming to the first class, it is 0. So as we are talking about, as we are finding the age cannot be negative. Whenever you will subtract 0 to 0.5, the answer will go in a negative, and age cannot be negative. So we will keep it as it is. 0 to 4.5. We'll add 0.5 to 4. It will give us 4.5. When you will subtract 0.5 from 5, it will become 4.5 to 9.5. Once you get 1 or 2 class, you can write other class in continuation. It will be 14.5. Here 14.5 to 19.5. 19.5 to 24.5, and the last class is 24.5 to 29.5. Okay, so when the class is not continuous, you have to make a 3 vertical column, and when the class is continuous, you have to make only 2 vertical column. So now steps are same. In a frequency column, you have to check which is the highest frequency. So here 50 is the highest frequency. So as you got 50 as a highest frequency, that class becomes your modal class. Now this is not your class. intervals. This is your class limits. From this you have to pick up your lower limit and upper limit. So lower limit is 9.5 of a modal class and 14.5 is the upper limit of the modal class. The value of f1 is 50, preceding value that is f0 is 32 and succeeding value f2 is 36. What is a class interval? That is a height of a class is 14.5 minus 9.5. What it is? 5 and 5 minus you will give you 0 decimal point. 9 minus 5 is 14 minus 9 is 5. So that is 5.0. So 5.0 we'll consider as 5. Now we'll write all the values. I have taught you lower limit is 9.5, f1 is 50, f0 is 32 and f2 is 36. Now we'll substitute all the values. Lower limit is 9.5, f1 is 50, f0 is 32. 2 multiplied by f1 means 2 multiplied by 50. Value of f0 and value of f2 is 36. Your height is 5. Substitution done. Now we'll calculate it. We'll simplify the bracket. What is 50 minus 32? It is 18. As the simplification of bracket is not done, 2 multiplied by 50 is 100. Minus minus is plus, sign of greater number. 2 plus 6 is 8 and 3 plus 3 is 6. So it is 68. Now we'll simplify the bracket more. It is 9.5. So in the numerator we have 18 and in denominator we have 100 minus 68. So what is 100 minus 68? It is 32 multiplied by height, that is 5. So as 18 and 32 is divisible by 2, they are even number. We'll simplify it by the table of 2. 2 9s are 18 and 2 16s are 32. 9 5s are 45. 45 upon 16. So now same way we have to simplify this fraction, and whatever simplification we get we have to add to 9.5. So how to simplify? As 5 is an odd number and 6 is an even number, so no table is there where they are simplified. So directly we will divide 45 by 16. We'll see what division comes. 9.5 plus, so when you will simplify 45 plus 16 you will get 2.812. So now when you will add 9.5 plus 2.812 you will get 12.312. Every time you will be writing your answer or you will be finding the decimal place up to the 2 digit only. So as this number is smaller than 5, the previous number to it will remain same. So it will be 12.31. So therefore mode ages of the patients are 12.31 years.